Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oukitel OKT1 to an Android device. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both devices and typing on the search bars. Now type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer, then open it. Following that, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now I need to rotate my tablet real quick. And after that, you need to choose Send on Oukitel and Receive on an Android. Then click on all of those type of dots and select Send. This way you can choose all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one file. For example, this photo. Choose Send and tap on Got it. Over here on an Android, choose No Thanks and close this window. As you can see now, we have the connection ways. We can input this key over here and then connect our devices by choosing Receive, but we can also click on this scanning icon on an Android, choose while using the app or only this time, and point our device's camera at the code. And now, as you can see, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!